Did you know Southeast Asia is a region where obesity rates have increased from 8% to 30%, and Indonesia recorded as the country with the highest child obesity rate in Southeast Asia? Over the past 20 years, obesity has been increasing among children, teenagers, and adults in Indonesia.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Kemala News. Hello, my name is Nurul Natasya, and I'm Tasha Kemala Abiyyuzada, and we are from SMA Kesatuan Bangsa Yogyakarta. Okay, back to the topic. So, apparently everyone is affected by this, right, Lisa? Yes, you're right. Obesity affects everyone. According to Kementerian Pembangunan Manusia, Kebudayaan dan Koordinasi in 2023, this is because related to their lifestyle habits, such as eating fast food, not exercising, eating sweet foods, and consuming too much sugar. So, as we know, obesity is being overweight, right? But did you know that obesity can lead us to more terrible disease, namely diabetes mellitus? So they are interconnected.
According to this journal, International Diabetes Federation data, or IDF, the global incidence of diabetes has increased for 3 consecutive years. The high number of people with diabetes makes Indonesia one of the countries with the highest number with diabetes, ranking 7 in the Western Pacific region, with a population of 10 million in 2015.
Question.
Yes, Iza?
You said they are connected, right? But what makes them relate to each other, Natasha?
Of course, people who are obese have an increase in non-certified fatty acid, glycerol, cytokine hormones, and pro-inflammatory markers, and other substances involved with the insulin hormone, which can lead to the development of diabetes because sugar levels are not controlled. But Yuza, do you know how to prevent the obesity?
Obviously, prevention can be done by consuming flavonoids, pectin, and vitamin C, which are found in banana peels, orange peels, and guava fruit, which are rich in antioxidants.
Banana peels? Orange peels? How come?
Hey, Natasha, that's why we did this research, right?
Hey.
As we stated in previous video, banana peels, orange peels, especially oranges, and guava fruits, which are rich in antioxidants, can help to overcome the problem of obesity by making gummies. Why do we make jelly gummies? Because we love jelly gummies. That's why we make jelly gummies without fear of obesity and diabetes. Okay, let's just go straight to how we make it. Before we make the jelly gummies, there's one step we need a lot of time is to extracting pectin from banana peels. Of course, we need tools and materials. So, these are the tools and materials.
Okay, let's go ahead to extracting the pectin.
First, 35 grams of banana peel powder was added with 1 liter of 0.01 and hydrochloric acid, softened and heated on a hot plate at 90 Celsius for 1 hour, with continuous stirring using a magnetic stirrer at a speed of 600 RPM. Next, we go to the step of mixing the filtrate with the acidic ethanol that we have made. To be specific, a blend of 1.5 liter of 96% ethanol with 3 ml of concentrated hydrochloric acid. Then, we wait for 15 until 17 hours.
After we wait for a long time, there will be precipitation, but we need to separate the precipitation with the filters. And the last is, this process is the tricky one because we need to measure the pH of the precipitation has to be natural by washing it many times with ethanol. However, after the precipitation is natural, we can go to the next step is to make the gummies! Yay!
Tasha,
What is
you forget something, you forget the last step. We have to dry the precipitate until the weight is constant.
Gotcha, thank you Yuza, that's why I feel like I missed something.
That's okay, let's make the gummies. I can't wait to eating all the gummies.
Yuza, you have to wait, this step is the most fun to do. Okay, let's get right to how we make the gummy!
Alright, water, 16 grams of sorbitol, and 50 grams of fructose are completely mixed in a container then heated on the stove at 100 Celsius. Next, add carrageenan and pectin. Stir continuously until thick. Wait until 5 minutes, then lower the stove temperature to 40 degrees while adding food color, orange zest, 0.2 gram of citric acid, and 40 gram of guava juice. Mix and stir evenly. Yay! We are the finished step. The gummies mixture is poured into jelly molds, then cooled to room temperature and hardens gradually. Here we are, the gummies is ready.
Wow, Yuza, it's really ugly.
Don't judge by its cover. You have to do the test and see what's inside this.
But how do we do the test, Yuza?
Stop asking the questions and let's just do the test.
Unfortunately, guys, we don't have much time to do the test in university, so we just do the test in lab school, which is the method is Benedict, Byron method, and flavonoid test.
Yes, these methods is to investigate the resin sugar, the content of nutrients, and the content of flavonoids in organisms.
But how does Benedict method work?
First of all, we need two different variables. The first variable is the one who contains fructose from guava fruit, and the second one is the one who contains fructose from liquid fructose. And then we mix with Benedict solution in the taste tube, and then we put the taste tube in the beaker that has boiled water on the stove. And then after 5 minutes mixing it, you can see the color of the solution it starts changing.
Wow, it's not magic but science. The gummy jelly with guava contain less reduction sugar than the gummy jelly that without guava. Okay, what about the Burette test? Can you tell me about that?
Why not? So again, we need two variables, and then we mix with the Burette solution, and then after 2 minutes mixing it, you can see the color starts changing also. It's so easy.
So the gummy jelly with the guava fruits, one are contain nutrition, right?
Yes.
The solution is dark blue while the other doesn't contain another one. Okay.
Yes.
Oh yeah, there's one more thing that we need to do is to do the flavonoid test. This test is using sodium hydroxide to check the changing color. If the variable changing to yellow color, then it's containing the flavonoid.
We have done the test. Based on this picture, can be concluded both of the sample has positive flavonoid.
The last but not least are our conclusions and suggestions.
Too bad, Yuza. We are at the end of the Gumau News.
Special thanks to everyone who always supports us, especially Miss Aina.
And I'm Natasha.
I'm Yuza.
See you next time.